For me, AI means reducing complexity in a complex world. It helps us seeing risks before they appear and thereby giving us a crucial head start to react in the right way.
I see AI as a tool which enhances my capabilities and allows to see, to understand and to develop faster and better.
For me, AI is the crucial tool that is helping to turn a huge amount of data into meaningful insights. It is helping us to sharpen our focus on where we are wasting resources and thus is helping us to create a more sustainable future.
My name is Juliane Lüder and I'm a data scientist in logistics at Bosch in Abstadt. In the past, managing our supply chains always felt like fighting fires. We knew deliveries were late or incomplete, but that was it. Now, with the skills I've learned, we can predict much more reliably how many parts will arrive, and this helps our teams solve the problems before they appear, ensuring our production lines run much more smoothly and preventing expensive delays.
My name is Marco Zucchini, and I work now as a data scientist for automated parking systems at Bosch. In the past, one of our biggest challenges in developing ADAS was the time-consuming process of creating high-quality training data. We had manually to look at countless hours of video. At present, we let AI do for us. AI can classify the maneuvers and generate a text description of video sequences. This allows us to categorize rapidly and precise. AI-driven methods allow us to optimize and reduce the general effort we have in developing systems and testing performance.
I am Jens Küstmer. I'm a data engineer at Bosch in Bühl. Our biggest challenge was the lack of transparency. We were able to tell our total energy consumptions, but we did not have reliable data which were the greatest energy consumers on the shop floor level. The skills I learned enabled me to build a system which is capable to track the energy consumption of manufacturing machines in real time and enables us to implement measures to reduce the consumption.